Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. This is a system B trade. I already took it before I started the recording. I'm just going to enter again with a 15 lot size, set my take profit a little bit higher up there. And yeah, this is an account we started with $250. Okay, so far look at all the profits that we've made. We've made a total withdrawal of about $25,000 so far on this small account. And yeah, make sure to join my free Telegram group. Look at all the profits we've made so far. Our last withdrawal was, our last withdrawal was 15,000, and we've made a total profit of over 95,000. Once we get to 100,000, I'm going to make another withdrawal again. Or by the end of this month, I'm going to make another big withdrawal. So let's see how the market goes. If it doesn't go my way, because this is just right after CPI, so the market is kind of going down right now. If it doesn't go my way, I'm just going to hedge it out and show it for you guys to trade. Even if it pulls, even if anyways, we'll see how the market goes. Either ways, overall, I expect the market to continue to drop. So this is the 14th of November 2023. If you want to buy the course, join me live where I'll share my screen on Zoom, or meet me in person where I'll teach you everything like this, including how to hedge, scalp, swing your trades, and you also get the software free. Go to hedgingmastermind.com to get the software and the course, to buy the course. And if you want to get signals, we are dropping VIP daily signals every month, every day. You can get the signals at hedgingmastermind.com. Make sure to join the free Telegram group also, link in description below. And we'll be right back once we have more profits on this trade and see how it plays out. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, the markets went all the way up, but I already started hedging by then. And this is the 16th of November. I've been holding this for a while. Because there has been news. So it's news that made it. I already started hedging down because I expected the market to continue to go down. The news spiked it all the way up. Okay, again, as you can see with that long candle. So what I'm doing is I'm selling again because my software has told me that the market is coming down. So I'm holding a 30 lot size. I'm adding another trade into it, and I have another open trade. So we'll be right back once we have more profits in the market. When I say the market must go down, it must always go down. This software comes for free with the course. If you want to get it for free to test for 1 week, sign up with Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. And also, if you want to copy my trades and connect to my account, sign up with Mega Market also. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. We'll be right back when we're into more profits on this trade. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. Today is the 17th of November 2023. As you can see, my take profit for the sale has been hit. Let's go and look at how much profits we made. In total, we made $4,000 in profit, 3,000 plus 400 plus 600, just over $4,000 in profit scalping this account. So, oof, this was not how the hedge usually goes out. However, you can see that even with the software, it stayed on schedule, it stayed on time. This is why you have to have the software doing your analysis for you. Told me where to hedge. The markets went the other way again, told me to stay calm, then told me when to sell. Okay, and I started selling all the way back. So my buy was hit, my sales were hit, and I came out of that trade with no loss. This is how hedging is supposed to be. It is not martingale system. I do not use support and resistance. I trade simply charts, empty charts, as you can see. And all my software does is it tells me everything I need to know: where to buy, where to sell, where to exit.